Morning, everyone. If you've managed people, operations, and projects, and you wanted to use AI to help you, but you don't know how to, and this is the channel for you. I'm going to use AI to help me with a specific project that I'm working on right now. Today is day 10 of the VEDA challenge, which is vlog every single day in August. And my purpose here is to show you one change, one thing, one item that I can do to help move my projects along. And right now, we're in the middle of the leadership development phase two project. And in this week, we're focusing on tool spotlight. So there's four different tools that I'm encouraging the team to utilize and scan a QR code to help track the data. Now, tool spotlight is going to be the focus of this video. Essentially, we're going to take one of those tools and share it in a way that the team can recognize the current things that they're doing in their meetings and touch base sessions with their teams if they happen to utilize a series of questions that can align with the tool. In a sense, they're using the tool. And let's scan the QR code, document it, and move on from there. Now, that might seem like a lot. You might have to see a previous bit of the videos to break down what the tool is. But essentially, for this step of the AI, is I asked it yesterday with this tool spotlight that we want to focus on this week. Give me a kind of a time frame of what it looks like this week to encourage this tool spotlight usage. So we're about to deep dive into that. So as always, you have the leadership development thermometer here on the right. This is the new look that we changed yesterday. And let's look at it here from this week. What is AI telling us? Okay, it's telling us here's a week long cadence of the coaching framework spotlight. So the principle, post it once, reinforce it differently every day. So same tool all week, but the identical message pasted 5 times becomes wallpaper. So Teams gets 3 well spaced posts, and your huddles carry the daily light touches. Each day, a different angle, so it stays fresh. All right. So it has something for us to share every single day. And so let's take a look at Monday. Launch team post AM huddle, post and anchor a message at the shift start so it frames the day and touch bases. So the spotlight here is kind of the message that we shared for the tool spotlight. This is kind of like the framework that was put in earlier when we talk about how do we best highlight the coaching framework. Essentially, it's about being curious, sharing perspective, and then co-create, because that's the 3 framework for the coaching framework. All right. Um, so essentially, it's telling you to share this in teams. All right, that's not a big concern. I can probably put this into teams sometime today, just as a nugget, and then ask the PM Nights leads to drop the same in their huddle. So just a nice gentle reminder. So I'll probably do that later today. And then tomorrow, it already counts huddle line verbal. So reminder, coaching frameworks, the spotlight this week. If a roadblock came up, touch base, you ask questions instead of answering it, that counted, scan and log it. Very vague. I get it. You did part of the coaching framework. Um, that's a start. Not sure if I want to count that in there, but yeah, well, I'm gonna have to revisit that and think a little further. Does pieces of the framework counts as utilizing the framework? Mm, you can argue it one way or the other. And then Wednesday is telling us to model it. So this morning in my touch base, someone hit a roadblock and I ran it. I got curious. I shared my read. I co-created the fix. Took 9 seconds to log. All right. Again, you're repeating the same 3 things over and over again. It's not so much on the creative side when it comes to like these reminders or encouragement, I probably have to break down some samples of generalized touch base outlines that are common in our meeting session with our teams. So, usually you have your regular check-in. How are you doing? How are things going? What's new with you? And then what's going on with the operation? What's up with the people things? How are you doing with your admin work and any projects you're working on? And then if there's a roadblock, what can I do to support? Like those are kind of like the frameworks of your typical touch bases. Sometimes it goes down one topic a little more deeper into some of the questioning and conversations, but that's typically the framework. So I'm probably going to have to reframe that and share that into AI because, again, Thursday, it's just a reframe of those three items. Um, and then Friday, last call out, and then Saturday, I close the report out. Um, yeah, one calibration note. The three teams post Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Three verbal hut. Oh, okay. There's a difference. So we got teams post on Monday, huddle or verbal communication like in a teams message. Wednesday's another huddle message. Thursday's a team post. Friday is a huddle message, and then Saturday. So three electronic teams communication and another three in person kind of impromptu chat. So since I work Wednesday through Saturday, the I'll have to adjust the team's message and the posting. So as a gentle reminder, I don't mind that cadence. I think that cadence works out. So I'm not spamming the team's communication channel, and we have some cadence there. So I think that's really good. So that's the focus today that I'll do. And then tomorrow we'll share the outcome. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow.